Welcome to the third user video guide for the Artes181 Academy. In an earlier video you saw how to access the programs, courses and assets. You were also shown how to open the assets. This video will demonstrate the different ways of creating a DApp and how you can manage your DApp. If you're a private Academy member, your DApp may have already been created by your manager. However, you'll find the contents of this video useful as it explains the layout and features that can be used if you already have your own DApp. For those users who've not created or had a DApp created, there is a Manage DApp menu button. When you select this, you'll be presented with two options for creating your DApp. The first one is the Skills Analysis option. This is a powerful tool for creating a DApp as it selects the most appropriate learning outcomes for your level of competence. This will be demonstrated later. The easiest way to create a DApp is to use the Allocate Training option. Using this option allows you to select the programs and courses that you require to achieve specific learning outcomes. When you select Allocate Training, a warning will appear. If you've already created a DApp, selecting OK will reset all your current learning progress back to 0, so be careful if you already have a DApp. When you've cleared the warning, the Allocate Training screen appears. At the top level are the programs and below them are the courses. If you select a program, it will automatically select the courses associated to that program. You'll be able to see a grey tick next to each course. Now you can scroll down the course list and choose the assets you want to study. Use the plus sign next to each asset to reveal the learning outcomes and check the boxes. When you've selected all the programs, courses and assets you want to study, click the Create DApp menu button. All the courses and associated assets will now appear as a list under My Courses. Each time you log in to the Academy, you'll be presented with this list. The other way of creating your DApp is by using the Skills Analysis option. This is a powerful tool that analyzes your level of competence against a skill. There are 4 levels of competence to choose from. These are rated from no understanding or experience to has extensive practical experience. Selecting Skills Analysis opens the Job Profile options. The default option appears. This is the one set in your My Account page. You can use the drop-down menu to select your correct profile. Once you've selected your profile, click the Submit button. This will then open the questionnaire. It's going to take you about 10 minutes to complete the questionnaire, so take your time and ensure you select your level of competence against the skill. When you've completed the questionnaire, click the Submit button. You will then be taken back to your home page. Based on the competence level you selected, the courses have been selected for you and will appear under your My Courses page. If at any time you're not happy with the options that you chose or the ones selected through the skills analysis, you can always edit them using the Manage DApp option. At the end of each DApp you have created, you will see the edit symbol. Click on this and your course list is presented. In this mode you can then check or uncheck any of the boxes. This is how you add or remove your previously selected programs, courses or assets. Once you make any changes here, any previous progress will be lost. One of the other menu options is DApp History. When you select this option, you can view your previously created DApps. This is useful if you want to reference any courses that you've previously completed and compare your assessment scores. You can delete your history by selecting the checkbox and using the Delete option at the bottom of the page. You now have all the information required to generate your learning journey. Remember, as a private user, you will not be able to use the Manage DApp function. Your learning is managed by your manager based on your skills analysis, so all programs, courses and assets need to be completed according to your learning plan.